Welcome to Happy Jack's Shack. I'm Happy Jack and this is my shack. That's why I call it Happy Jack's Shack. And I have, oh man, I saw my first time warp video. Now I took the first trip I took to the mailbox to get my, mail, and that was only at regular standard speed. There was no effect or anything, except I did kind of modify it slightly. Now, the actual video, that first one, going from my driveway to the mailbox, get my mail, drive back, park, and then that was 8 minutes 22 seconds. When I modified it by cutting out some of the dead space over getting my mail and getting into the car once I started the camera, cut all that out, and then once I got out, then I kind of sped up the footage a bit. And that one came out to be just under 4 minutes long. Well, today I went down to check my mail, and I did get the time warp, and oh my gosh, going to get down to the mailbox, check the mail, and then on the way back I kind of diverted to get some turns and like that in there, and got back to the shack, parked the car, shut off the deal, checked it. 36 seconds was the whole thing. So I'm going to have to go on a longer trip just to get some footage that you could see. But this one was fantastic, and I'm going to show all three versions in this one. So I don't know how long it'll take. You figure 8 minutes, 4 minutes, that's 12. So with the beginning and the ending, who knows? So enjoy. I'll check you out later. Bye. Oh, welcome back. You caught me. So what'd you think? Now I know the raw version of that first video was a bit longer, and as you could tell, I cut a lot of the dead space out. But the second one, which was the edited version of that first, wasn't too bad. But that the time warp, oh, that thing was nice. Can't wait to go and use it on a longer trip. Of course, going over to the dollar store isn't going to be all that great, but who knows? So, hope you like it, and stay tuned, because my next one will be a potpourri. And my girls, now I told you and showed you about the honey peach got ate up. Something ate it. But I planted one seed of the white widow, and it's now sprouted. So I planted it about 3 days ago, and it has sprouted. And the Skittles, it's starting to go to flower. It's starting to bud out. So it's going to be interesting. Stay tuned. This is Happy Jack, hoping your journey down life's path is a pleasant one. Later days. Now get out there and live life.